hosted this evening, and this way showing their profound internationalism and solidarity for people of India and other people who are fighting for their rights and affirmation of their being. Indian people and Latin American people have a long history of solidarity. For example, in 1906, 1907, when Ajit Singh, uncle of Bhagat Singh, was exiled, he made his home Brazil. Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Mexico became great centers of Ghadar party. And in 1916, the circulation of one of the publications of Ghadar was 1 million a month. And in the Latin countries, there was a huge Indian population that worked in collaboration in their common struggles. So once again, I really thank the Columbia Association at MIT. Secondly, I want to thank all the co-sponsoring organizations who have worked very hard to co-sponsor this evening. So I would like to thank all of them. I cannot name them individually. Some of them, you see their signs here, some of them don't. So we thank everyone. Second thing is that I want to say that we are very, very proud of both our speakers, Mahua and Siddharth, who should be joining us, soon, because they represent the voice of courage of the Indian people. They symbolize that, especially in these hard times, these tough times. But I'm reminded of Faiz Saab. In one of his couplets, he says, जिस धज पे कोई मक्तल को गया वो शान सलामत रहती है, ये जान तो आनी जानी है, इस जान की कोई बात नहीं. So both of these people personify the spirit of the people of India. And secondly, both of them also represent what is best amongst the NRIs. NRIs have a long history of participating in struggles in the rights of people in India. They are continuing that. Both of them had very successful careers abroad. Mahua was a very successful investment banker. Siddharth was a very successful academic, but both of them responded to public service, went back, and have become voice of the courage of people of India. So thank you very much for coming. And just a couple of things about housekeeping of how this evening is going to go. This evening is part of series we've been carrying out to raise awareness in the community for a number of years. And this is just one forum. And we have carried out on various concerns of the people, for example, climate crisis in India, on the question of immigration, CAA, and this other issues. And it has taken various forms. We have had house meetings in people's homes. We've had meetings in temples, gurdwara, mosques, and all these issues. If you would like somebody to have a meeting in your house, or in your community, or in your temple, or in your mosque, or in your gurdwara, or in your high school, please contact us, one of us, either me, or Arif, or Kashif, or Inayat, people who are here, and we will do that. So, a little bit more about this evening. We want to make it as interactive as possible. So please ask questions and let me rejig your memories. A question is a very short sentence with a question mark at its end. So please, no speeches. If you would like to speak, contact us. We will arrange another forum. This forum is for Mahua and Siddharth to speak. And we are very, very happy that we have a very prominent and senior journalist, Ajit Sahi, who is going to be moderating this conversation. So once we get going, so Mahua is going to speak for maybe a few minutes, 5, 6, 10 minutes. Then once Siddharth gets here, he will speak for 5, 10 minutes. Then there will be questions. And please address all the questions to the chair. No cross-firing or cross-talking, because this is a very serious discussion we are having. So please refrain from cross-talking and cross-firing. Address all your questions to the chair. So I hope this way we can have a very fruitful discussion. And again, this is beginning of discussion. This is not end of discussion. So these discussions will carry on. So with that, I'd like to invite Amin Bhai to introduce our moderator and our speaker. So, Amin Bhai.
Thank you, Jaswal ji. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. Good evening. Thank you so much for spending time with us. This is going to be a very interesting session about what's going on back in India. With that, Jaswal ji also mentioned he welcomed, but I would like to recognize the organizations who put together this program. As you can see, the poster, Indian American Muslim Council, Hindus for Human Rights, MIT Colombian Association, the Boston Coalition, MIT Student Against War, MIT Student Against Coalition, Alliance for a Secular and Democratic South Asia, Coalition for a Democratic India, and South Asia Center. As Jaswal mentioned, my name is Amin Zama. I am the chapter president of Indian American Muslim Council, also a board member, which is the largest advocacy network to help the marginalized people in India, including Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Dalits, everybody. So without any further ado, without going far, let me introduce you our moderator first, which is Ajit Sahi. He's an Indian journalist and civil rights activist who lives in Washington, D.C. He engages in advocacy of the United States Congress and the U.S. government on the issues of human rights, civil rights, and religious freedom in India. Ajit Bhai. Our next guest is Mahua Mitra. She's a member of parliament elected from the Krishnanagar constituency in West Bengal. She won a Lok Sabha seat in the 2019 election as an All India Trinamool Congress Party candidate. Prior to this, Mohitra was a member of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly, representing the Karimpur constituency in Nadia district on the Indo-Bangladesh border. Mohitra began her career as an investment banker with JP Morgan in New York and then in London. She quit her job in 2009 after rising to the position of vice president to enter active grassroots level politics in India. She has since been involved in various organizational roles, including booth level, care building, and coordinating rural development programs. She is currently a General Secretary of All India Trinamool Congress and serves on the Standing Committee on Information Technology in Lok Sabha. Mohitra is the first women legislator from the area and also the first to belong to a non-left party in the past 40 years. She earned a degree in economics and mathematics from our backyard, Mount Holyoke College in South Hadley, Massachusetts. So that's about our next guest is Siddharth Varadarajan. He's a journalist, editor, political analyst, and academic. He's one of the founding editors of Indian news website, The Wire. He is the former editor of Indian National Daily, The Hindu. He has reported on the NATO war on Yugoslavia. Varadarajan has edited a book titled Gujarat, The Making of a Tragedy, which is about 2002 Gujarat riots. So I welcome you all, three of you. Please join us on the stage.